Okay, the new infusion program's been installed. Has a red icon. Let's go fire it up. Okay, one of the first things we'll notice is an extra column of checkboxes under run sequence in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. This is where you can select and deselect the run program. Next, over here under the chart display, we see the run sequence button. This is what you use to initiate the sequence. And we have boxes, 6 boxes representing each of the 6 channels. And in each box you'll see information pertaining to the step that the sequence is on. To access that information, the step information, you go to the Tools menu, select Program. This is new. And here we have the step information that's programmed. First step is 1 microliter per minute for 5 seconds, forward direction. The next step would be 5 microliters per minute for 5 seconds in the forward direction, and the third 1 microliter per minute for 5 seconds forward direction. And then there's a fourth. To change the information, we select the row and click on change, and it pulls up the information: rate, duration in minutes and seconds, and direction, forward, reverse. So we shall use 3 microliters running for 5 seconds in the forward direction. And we click OK to accept the information and close the window, and the row has been updated. So at this point we can go ahead and save the profile. We'll just select 2 just for the hell of it. Call it anything you want. Save. So now the profile is saved. If we wanted to pull up an existing profile, we would go through a load sequence. So at this point we select close the menu, and now we can go ahead and run the sequence. If you're running a real profile or a therapy, you would go through the same process that you did with the previous version. You click the start button, or you type in the description, then you click the start button, give it the name of a file, and then continue there. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to hit the run sequence button. The pump's going to fire up immediately, stepping through the process, and then we can follow the steps that it's going through in that first box there. So we click run sequence. Oh, I forgot. See? Select run sequence checkbox. So we go back and turn it on. Run sequence. It starts off on the first step, 1 microliter per minute for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, it'll switch to number 2, 5 microliters per minute, 5 seconds. And then number 3, 1 for 5 seconds. And then number 4, 3 microliters per minute for 5 seconds. The pump state is purple during the run sequence, and it goes back to red when the pump is stopped. In a normal profile, which would be a steady state run, the pump state would be green when it's running. So that's it in a nutshell, the changes, the difference between the version 1.16 and this version 1.17.